Look up at the night sky and you are not just seeing scattered points of light, but entire systems of unimaginable scale. Each star potentially holding planets, histories, and forces far beyond human experience. Every glowing dot represents something massive and ancient. Yet everything humanity understands about existence comes from just a small collection of fundamental ideas. These ideas have reshaped science, philosophy, and our sense of place in the cosmos. And when examined closely, each one does not just explain reality, it makes it feel more mysterious, more fragile, and far less familiar than we often assume. The first major idea is that the universe had a beginning. For most of human history, people believed the cosmos was eternal and unchanging. But modern science reveals a very different origin. Around 13.8 billion years ago, all space, time, matter, and energy existed in an extremely hot, dense state before rapidly expanding in what we now call the Big Bang. This was not an explosion inside space, but the creation of space itself. From that single moment, everything we know, galaxies, stars, planets, and even atoms began to form. The universe, as vast as it appears today, is not infinite in age. It has a defined origin point where everything fundamentally changed. The second idea reshapes our understanding of gravity in extreme environments through the existence of black holes. These regions form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, creating areas where space becomes so intensely curved that nothing can escape, not even light itself. Near these objects, time slows down, distances distort, and physics behaves in ways that challenge intuition. Black holes forced scientists to reconsider the structure of reality, revealing that space and time are not fixed backgrounds but dynamic elements influenced by mass and energy. They represent one of the most extreme and mysterious consequences of gravity in the universe. The third idea is that time itself is not absolute. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time can change depending on speed and gravitational strength. This means that two observers in different conditions will not experience time in the same way. Near a black hole, time slows dramatically compared to regions farther away. Even high-speed travel affects the passage of time relative to someone standing still. This concept completely transforms our understanding of reality because it shows that time is not universal, it is flexible, relative, and dependent on the environment in which it is measured. The fourth idea reveals that most of the universe is invisible. Everything we can see, stars, planets, galaxies, represents only a small fraction of what actually exists. The majority is made up of dark matter and dark energy, substances we cannot directly observe but can detect through their gravitational effects and influence on cosmic expansion. Galaxies rotate in ways that suggest unseen mass holding them together, and the universe itself is expanding faster than expected, driven by an unknown force. This means that most of reality is not visible to us at all, and what we perceive may only be a small surface layer of something far deeper and more complex. The fifth idea connects directly to the possibility of life beyond Earth. With billions of stars in our galaxy alone, and even more planets orbiting them, many scientists believe that life may not be rare, but widespread throughout the universe. If even a small percentage of these worlds support life, then the cosmos could be filled with living systems in countless forms. This changes the perspective of Earth's uniqueness, suggesting that our planet may not be an exception but just one example among many. The universe, in this view, may be far more alive than we currently know. The final idea brings everything together by highlighting how little we truly understand. Every discovery in science tends to open new questions rather than close them, revealing deeper layers of mystery beneath what we once thought was simple. The universe continues to expand, evolve, and challenge human understanding at every scale. And within all of this complexity, consciousness itself emerges as one of the greatest mysteries matter, becoming aware of itself. It's capable of observing, questioning, and trying to understand its own origin. And at the end, looking at the night sky is not just an act of observation. It is a reminder that we are part of something vast, unfinished, and still waiting to be understood.